Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I am in my tiny little bathroom. As you guys know, I live in an apartment now, not a house, even though my bathroom was small. Okay guys, we are doing the collaboration styling my way. So I already changed my shower curtain, as you guys can see it on the corner of the video. You guys can see it. So I washed my bathtub. I changed my shower curtain. Now I'm going to wash my toilet. Even though it's clean, I still want to disinfect. I do that every week. I'm going to scrub my sink. I'm going to sweep and mop my floor. And I'm going to decorate for Valentine. Guys, this is the open collaboration Styling My Way. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescape by Candy. Guys, um, we have some co-hosts. I'm going to be putting them in my description box and I will mention as I go along. So right now, what I want to do, I want to leave my little list here, but I want to get to my toilet and I'm going to sweep my floor and I'm going to show you guys some progress. Sorry about the movement. I'm going to move you guys back because I got to get in and out of the bathroom. A lot of you guys might not do this, but I do. I like to scrub my tank inside because if you look at your water tank inside, it's full of mildew and dirt. So you gotta at least once a month or so. You'll see once I flush the toilet. Watch when I flush. I mean, even though I have cleaner in there, a lot of you guys, I bet you guys don't do this. Even when you throw those cleaning tablets in there, you still gotta do it. Just do it carefully that you don't ruin your toilet. I don't know you guys can see the water from there. No. I'm gonna show you something that a lot of you guys don't know. But sitting water, constantly wash that toilet. Oh, I need to put the tap to be able to flush it. Hold on, I gotta wash. See that water? You see how it's black? That's because mildew builds in your toilet tank. So you guys need to make sure you guys clean your toilet tank. Okay, that's the way I like it. I teach you guys some tricks and stuff that I have learned through my mom. So, but a lot of you guys don't know that. It looks nasty. You see it, right? It looks like somebody used the toilet and didn't flush. Alright, so now I'm going to let that sit and I'm going to continue cleaning the toilet. I just wanted to show you that, guys. I just wanted to show you that. Okay, guys, before I continue, co-hosts are Design with Emma. I love my sister Debbie Bubbles. Home Decor and More, which is Jean. J Mom's Creation. And of course, myself, Deborah Cabassa, Home Living. So guys, now I'm scrubbing my sink. I'm going to continue doing that. And I'm going to finish sweeping and mopping my floor. I believe I mentioned it in a previous video. When I finish cleaning my toilet, I always add peroxide in my tank and on my, the bowl, and I let it sit there until the next person is gonna use the toilet. That helps also killing germs and bacteria. And I like to throw a little bit down the sink in the bathroom, so whatever is in there, bacteria, it gets killed. So now I'm going to move on to sweep a map. I'm not gonna show you that because you guys know how to sweep a map. And then I'm gonna come back, and of course I'm gonna wipe my picture frames and everything. I'm gonna come back and show you my decor. All right, guys, I'm going to concentrate now to decorate my little shelf and my little shelf over here. Guys, I got this little gnome from the Dollar Tree. I wish I found two, but I didn't. So that is what's going to have to do. So I'm going to concentrate to place him here, him or her, whatever she is. So let me lift you guys a little bit. I also want to add some greenery that I also got from the Dollar Tree. Guys, this decor is a seasonal, for Valentine. So it's going to be very simple. I also have a DIY that I created. So I'm going to put these two hanging plants here as well. Hopefully they'll stay and they won't fall off. So I don't know if they're going to stay because I could already see that they're giving a little bit of problem. So let's see. I always wanted to have greenery up here, but I couldn't find the right one. So I'm just going to use this one. I'm just going to do it simple. And also, I'm going to add my candle for the season. I'm not going to add much up here, but I do want to add some color. Oh, I want to show you guys my DIY that I created. It took me 2 days to do it because I ran out of hot glue. So I had to wait I didn't have to wait. I asked my husband to give me some hot glue. So I didn't want to just step out of the house just for that. I created this DIY, a shabby chic DIY. This is basically all trash and I turned it into treasure. So I'm going to use it right here. There you go. So that's, you see, just my Valentine decor is starting to come around. And also I got this. This is from the Dollar Tree last year. I have 4 of these and I usually do a table for 2. So, I mean, they sell this at Hobby Lobby as well for, I think $2.99 or $3.99. But these ones are for the Dollar Tree. So I want to place them right here on top of my little shelf. I will bring you guys and show you that. Also, I have my little gold tray, which I gotta clean. It's so dirty. I keep my Vantage bottle perfumes in there. So let me do that, do a little bit of more progress, and I'm gonna show you my final results. I also going to be using a flower arrangement. It's randomly, guys. This is of leftover flowers that I have laying around. So since they have roses and all, basically the Valentine's color. So I put it together. I'm also want to place it here. I always have a flower arrangement in the bathroom for those that sit on the throne and they want to stare at the wall. So I will be placing my Vantage little perfume bottles on the tray, which I already placed here. I have a big collection of perfume bottles. I mean, I could make it look like they're full, but they're not, so I don't want to do that. What you gotta do is you want to make your Vantage perfume bottle look like they're full. You add a little bit of water and a little bit of food coloring, and that's it. And it'll turn to a color that it'll give you the impression that you have perfume in your bottle. And then this one, which I do use in the bathroom when I want to get on the top. I don't know why it's so dark. When I want to be on the top with some candles, I usually turn this one as well. I usually turn this one as well with a candle because this is a candle holder and also a perfume bottle anyways. But yeah guys, this is from Avon. This is very old, so I keep it here in the bathroom as well for when I'm ready to use it with my you know, those little balls that you throw in the tub for the bomb, shower bombs. And also I got this little tag which I will be adding here on the shelf. See, simple guys, it's going to be very simple. um and of course I gotta get my I keep him on the bathroom as well. And this time I fill them up with those little ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I put them there, so he's going to go right here. And also I gotta get my washcloth. I just came out from the laundry room, so let me go grab my washcloth. Well guys, I am done. This is the collaboration styling my way. Simple guys. My bathroom is small, so I did it very simple. Just the gnome, my candle there, my regular shower curtain, of course, and this pin is always here, and of course that one over there. And guys, this is my shelf right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, so there you guys have it. Let me bring you guys close. That's my shelf, my perfume bottle collection, lotion, my face cloth, my little statue which is always there. I don't keep nothing on the bottom. At least I fold towels and I put them there, but I think it's too close to the ground, and I'm like, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like my stuff to be so close to the ground. So for extra towels. And of course my flower arrangement, which is simple, red. Here I gotta put my cotton balls, which I already bought some. That's what I put my cotton balls that I use. And sorry for the movement, there is my DIY. I hope you guys like it. This used to be a Juicy Couture thing hanging out from a pocketbook. This is just random things that I was gonna throw out. Was a paper bag. The heart shape, it was a cardboard that I cut. A little beads here. It's simple, guys. Simple. So trash to treasure. So, and my gnome, my tag, and my candle, guys. That's it. So let me come over here, leave it like I always say. Guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.